Salahuddin Ahmed unailam kaseng sanhima Bangladesh National Party BNP ubaladan ha Shillong la palat shipo Snem ula Leitphai shari Bangladesh hak Henry tere unailar arja arpusau kata shisngi Hadien gajing e no daladi ka Sheikh Hasina ya ka kam menteri rang badu jogatekari ka Sheikh Hasina kala e no ekate ka kam ka bakal bat la khatsan Snem Hadien baka khlam la bante la kam ya gajing ki kin at Snem kabala ne daki benai hakatekari hakaba daki spa ngot kilayam Salahuddin ulaong bakajing hap Patrick ke Sheikh Hasina nalakar jongkari kadai hi kajing le jongka bat karukom sensyar don bor kajing bamla ban pentrai kam yaki kendon an bat rukom sensyar ka bamler jongka hi yakari Bangladesh habakali ya kajing wan rung jong Meghalaya Salahuddin ulaong bagi Bangladeshi ki penket clear ya ka Hasina kabale buitu ban pha ya India bo loben rap babun ki biatrai lang bat kila sya penyap Henry upat ulalaj Ulaong banadu kesengi beningkong ulalong penkrek ban pai biang shalakari. Halor ke menteri rang badu barim kari Bangladesh ke Khalida Zia ulaong. Baka BNP ke dan kam yaki noilam bat ke parti kan pak sumareka syabari na ke jingshitam. Ulaong baka parti ke dawa badai ban pelat ya ke Khalida Zia na ki kendon borok bat benram baka BNP ke dan kam yaka ban yalam ya ke parti. Ya kesensyar khadar kari Bangladesh kumbalong menta lakni dagi bor sipai barah pedeng kita ki ke Sheikh Hasina kalawan pet syari India kumban syukudo bau Salahuddin ulabat yaka kam assistant private secretary jong menteri rang badu barim kari Bangladesh ke Khalida Zia hakapor baka BNP kawan hakabor house Snem khat khandai spa khandai puwei Ulabat yaka kam kumu menteri ketenat communication hapadeng Snem arjari wei bat arjan rio haka sorkar ka baar balam khmat daka Khalida Zia Salahuddin ulabat ru yaka kam joint general secretary jongga BNP baula syajit kumunong ai ktien ka parti daka Khalida Zia House Snem arjar khatsan Salahuddin ulajar ngai na utara Dhaka bat ka BNP kalakam bola syakyam hakibor an ka Bangladesh bat kat kum ki sakhi pat laong bola syakyam haka rapid action battalion Henry Arbanai Hadien kata ula pau bau don ha Shillong haka bola syakyam haki pulit bat syak pengat haki kendon ka Foreigners Act namar ka jingwan rung bean syari India Haka laitre ujel leo arjar khatsan ula syapan hap kendon haki bor pulit ke East Khasi Hills District bat syak bu Shanigrams na ka benta bu unsyak sumat Kadai Hadien Snem katahau benai risau arjar khatpra ke yeng kasyari kala penkut ya kemuka dema persyak yu bau wan rung bean Haka por bau don ha Shillong jail ul syajit kumu dukot ke standing committee ke BNP Kadai haka arpu pratarik urempang arja arpulai baka yeng kasyari kala penwa ya kemuka dema jong barla ajing bet buun Leitphai shalakari
The situation prevailing in Bangladesh is something like mass revolution led by the student movement and now that all the opposition parties they met and sat with the present authorities, with the president, and president agreed to form an interim government for running the next neutral election, parliament election, general election. Our main demand is to make her free from all the hassles, and we need her as our leader, and she needs very seriously the advanced treatment abroad. We are thinking on that line. This was her fate, a misrule, tyranny, absence of rule of law, and the way she ruled Bangladesh without any mandate for the consecutive 3 terms, having totally flawed election. This is unprecedented in the world history, and this was her fate what happened there. Yes, I am ready. I was ready. I was ready from the day one to go back to my homeland. I think this is not the right time and place to disclose all these things. Let me go back first, then I will disclose many things.
Hadien, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F. กับ plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batte yekamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet yakasha plus F hakajingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat badaka bathau bha kam khta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita
kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya